What's great about Kadence is that it brings the power of hybrid working to the tools your team already use, making it easy to coordinate with your team in one place. Once set up, you can use Slack to book a space, view your bookings for the week, and check into your bookings directly from Slack. And if that's not enough, Slack keeps you completely up to date with your starred colleagues' schedule by letting you know every time they booked a space so you can book nearby. Or, even if they've canceled at the last minute, giving you the option to reschedule for another time that works best, saving you a commute to the office that day. Get ready to unleash team productivity with a tool that makes hybrid working simple and easy. Kadence. Find your rhythm for work.